Let's focus on one of the big gainers on the Nifty. That's Adani purchase. Still a short while back, it was one of the biggest gainers. So, Merbun, I'm going to come across to you for your review on the stock. But for the time being, let's hop across. Vivek Iyer is standing by to run us through a quick analysis on that front. Vivek?
Well, absolutely. When you're talking about Adani Ports, yesterday, the entire pack saw quite a bit of a sell-off, and Adani Ports wasn't an exception. In fact, the stock was down almost 4.5% in the session yesterday. Today, it's recouped all of the losses. In fact, trading above yesterday's, dip for yesterday's high as well. Now, when you're talking about what exactly has transpired, yesterday the company came out with an operational update, and when you're talking about this particular update, some strong operational performance coming through as far as the month of September is concerned in terms of the volumes handled as far as the ports are concerned. So the company recorded a 13% year-on-year growth as far as the cargo volumes were concerned for September 2022, and the company says that this is in line with the average monthly run rate that they had earlier guided for. They were earlier guiding for 350 to 360 million metric tons. Now, when you're talking about the first 6 months of FY23, the company has managed almost 177 million metric tons of cargo, which is a gain of almost 11% on a year-on-year basis. So now this involves both the East Coast as well as the West Coast. The East Coast volumes were up almost 13%, led by the Krishnapatnam port, the Gangavaram port, as well as the Kattupalli and Ennore port combined. On the other hand, the West Coast volumes, which were up 10%, were aided by Mundra, Dahej, Tuna, as well as the Goa ports.
Okay, all right, Vivek, thanks a lot for that. Merbun, what's your view on the stock? Adani Ports was moving to around that 1,000 rupees.